I love cars. I'd love to be an engineer.
It's been 3 years since I did Formula One at my school when we went to the World Champs in Abu Dhabi.
These may look like toys, and it's not quite the Kyalami racetrack, but fun and games are just part of the F1 in Schools Technology Challenge.
The car that they're designing is in fact a little gas-propelled car that goes across a 25-meter track.
Designing our car and just having sent in our first car for cutting, it's something that's so interesting, something I've never thought I'd do.
F1 gives us that opportunity for our learners to explore science away from class and basically learn in a fun way.
We have broken the 1 second barrier.
That's the biggest challenge now, is to break the 1 second barrier.
We judge them on the scrutineering, which is the size and the technical relations of the car. We judge them on the branding and the team enterprise that they've got. We judge them on the marketing that they've done. We judge them on how well they've used the CAD program. That would be the design and the engineering part of it. And then they have to do a verbal presentation where we judge them on how well they carry themselves as individuals. And finally, the fun part is we judge them on the racing.
The coolest thing I've learned so far is probably the SolidWorks CAD software. It's an awesome program that you can design 3D, whatever you want.
Yeah, the coolest thing was, that we have to always work as sisters. Being sisters in class, it's hard for us as girls because girls have issues.
I believe that girls, they've got the same potential as boys and they can do the same stuff. And I made them join the competition so that they can feel and believe that they can do it and go as far as possible.
At the South African relaunch, it was reiterated that challenges are guaranteed.
Probably trying to get the CAD system working, and also the aerodynamics of the car has been quite a challenge to get right.
The biggest challenge was that we didn't know how to use computers, and we didn't know how to use them and what was teamwork actually.
We're using software we've never seen before. We're looking at rules we've never thought we'd look at. So it's a learn as you go and just apply as much as you can.
Seeing the kids grow is actually why I'm doing it. I love to see the kids work together and sort of challenge. And there's a bit of competition, which is always good for kids. And I can't wait to see what they can do in the first challenge that they have this year.
A series of races will decide the South African champion representing the country in the World Championships next year. Marize de Klerk, Joburg Today.